One quick caveat, not all backflow preventers are going to look like this one, and not all of them are going to be this easy. So your backflow prevention device leaks, and the plumber said it was $850 to replace. How do I know? Because that's exactly what happened to me. This is your backflow prevention device that I'm talking about, and it was literally $850 to replace, $350 to rebuild, but there was no promises that, quote unquote, it would take. Okay, understood. So I actually YouTubed a video on how to repair these, and it seemed pretty simple and made a lot of sense. So since the company that monitors this and inspects them on a regular basis for the city would not respond to either of my calls despite leaving messages, I thought, well, I'd give it a shot. And let me show you what I found. I followed directions, and it was actually very, very simple to remove this with a crescent wrench. I'm going to go ahead and do both of these, but they talked about looking at the plunger and making sure that that was clean and clear. And what I mean by clean and clear is this portion right here. It was dirty and had a little bit of debris on it. And then when I looked inside, and I had to use a flashlight in order to see down in there, well, I got a big chunk. Oh, I broke it in half. Sorry, I was going to show you that. But it's very, very hard. It's almost like a rock, but I was able to break it in half. And could that have been holding this thing open? Well, I'm about to find out when I finish both of these and put it back together and see. And so this is what it looks like when you take it apart. These components all go in like that, and as you lefty-loosey this thing, be careful that it doesn't fly off. You have to kind of hold your hand over it, but it was very easy to take this off and pull this out and clean it. Now there is also this O-ring that goes around here, and if you follow Jim Gator's advice, you want to lube that thing up before you put that back on as well to help its longevity. Give it some more elasticity. Okay, so I've got this thing together. This is going to be the moment of truth, and let's keep my fingers crossed that I have saved myself some money. I'm going to open this thing up. Well, this is the end. Oop. Not too fast. And it was pouring out of here. Oh my goodness, look at that. Nothing. It was just pouring out of here earlier. Maybe it was just that little bit, that little rock that I found inside. I'm pretty excited, and I hope this helps somebody else out there, because whoever it was I followed online, I wish I could give them props. I don't remember their name, but God bless you. You just saved me $850.